You're not safe.
Yep. Oh, that's a...
Hickory?
No, it's like very soft. It doesn't want to split.
Soft should be easy to split.
Sometimes the soft just gives in.
Oh, that's still rubbery.
Yeah, it's a tire. It's gonna be rubbery.
I thought it would like freeze and not stretch.
It doesn't flex as well.
This is Ohio weather for you in the winter.
Sometimes, sometimes not.
Cold, extremely cold in the winter. Warm in the
Hot
summer.
during the summer.
Like you either get very hot or very cold.
Sometimes you get it in between, but not too often.
Yeah, is that usually in the spring?
Huh?
That's usually in the spring.
Spring and fall is usually the best time in Ohio. Out here.
It's about 25 degrees out here right now.
Yeah, it's not bad.
We're not cold at
Except
all.
that one doesn't need it. Split a couple of. Sometimes if you want to start a fire and you only have smooth surfaces and you don't have these fibers on here like this with split wood, it's harder for the fire to keep going. It's harder for the fire to catch a hold of this smooth bark. Here, see now watch. What we're gonna do here, buddy. Except for I got a nice stuff here. Just a knot. Y'all ready for this? See if I can get the axe head flying off. There you go.
Touchdown!
I got a bunch of split firewood.
Daddy,
Huh.
did you hear me say touchdown?
Touchdown. Who's playing today? What teams?
Los Angeles Rams, LA Rams versus Eagles, and Bills and Ravens tonight.
And yesterday we didn't get to watch the game. It was
Commanders and Lions and Chiefs and Broncos. No,
no, it was in Texas
and
against the
Chiefs.
Chiefs and the referees.
Yeah.
That's what it was.
Comment below if you like the
We didn't get
Chiefs.
to watch it, but that's what it was. It's a lot better like this, and it does try to balance them.
Yeah, but what if you hit the tire and it bounces back at your face?
You just don't let that happen. Minor details, minor details. Put them all in line. You can do a couple of them at once.